question. For you, what is trust?
Akala ko when trust is broken, mabubuntis po. Siguro yung belief na someone will act in a way that aligns with your expectations.
Yung trust is nabibuild siya. And through experience mo siya nag-grow.
Trust is the comfort of being your truest self to somebody else. Na secured ka, na it's not gonna be used against you.
Trust is, kumbaga, kung ganito siyang klaseng tao, yung confidence that the other person will follow through.
Trust is earned. So, ayun. Big word talaga siya for me. Kasi hindi ako madaling magtiwala talaga.
Sa akin yung at ease ka. At ease ka na yung authentic self mo pwede mong i-reveal. At ease ka na kung ano yung sinabi nila, they'll remain true to their word.